Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce business expenses with Wave easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin reducing your business expenses with Wave, start by signing up for a free account on the Wave website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view all your financial tools. Select the Expenses tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Add Expense button to input any current expenses you wish to track. Fill out the necessary details such as the amount, date, and category of the expense. Use the category feature to allocate expenses accurately, allowing for better tracking. To gain insights, review the Reports section on the dashboard. Generate an expense report to see where your money is going each month. Analyze the report to identify unnecessary or recurring expenses that can be reduced. Consider setting spending limits within each category for better control over your finances. Utilize the receipt scanning feature by uploading digital copies of your invoice. This will help keep everything organized and ensure you can track your expenses easily. After you've reviewed your spending habits, adjust your budget accordingly. Create a monthly budget within Wave to set financial goals and limits for each category. Be proactive in monitoring your expenses regularly for continued effectiveness. Utilize any automated features offered by Wave to streamline your processes further. This will save you time and help maintain accuracy in your financial tracking. Finally, take advantage of Wave's customer support and tutorials for any questions or advanced features you might need help with. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your business expenses using Wave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.